We are so high up. Don't look down. Don't look down.
Oh, hang in there, Paimon. The hard part's nearly over. After that, it's downhill all the way.
Don't say downhill all the way! That is the last thing Paimon wants to hear! We're finally done! Okay, let's get back down while this train is still working!
Great job! It looked like it all went smoothly. Yeah, and it was an absolute blast, too. You gotta ride with us next time, Miss Nilu. Huh? I'm okay. Thanks for...
Halt! What do you think you're doing?
Get out of my way!
What's going on?
Your Majesty, there!
Let us through!
Stay back!
It's okay.
Your Majesty, could we please ask you not to turn the gear that connects up to the sky?
And why?
As you have seen, the goddess's gift is very important to us. It keeps us from harm.
Some of us, we just aren't...
I see. Huh? I won't turn that...
What?
I've said before that... But let me ask...
Well, we'll start...
And have you made...
Unfortunately.
Hey, you little...
I'm sorry, my...
You have friends and...
Duh. Yes, but if...
I know this is a... Huh? Why do you think she...
Are you saying she has a...
No.
What do you mean?
The goddess dearly loves this world and all the people of Simulanka. Every parent, if a mother, children can only...
But we've relied on the...
Are you kidding?
What do you mean?
You made a call.
But we...
Why you said...
My friend?
What? But...
We can't go on... You once revered her more than any of...
I don't care anymore. Do what you want.
I'm sorry about my friend.
Is it just me?
I think so. Not that you'll ever... Your Majesty?
So...
Yes, I...
Now, gather around... So the stars hanging in the sky, they're music notes!
This entire metropole is a huge music box! That's incredible!
How do you feel?
A little scared and uncertain. But for some reason, I feel a lot more at ease. It's as if some kind of huge weight has been lifted from my shoulders.
Figured out any...
To be honest, not really.
I have an idea. If you don't know what to do, why don't you start by helping the people around you?
You mean the people who got stuck because...
I mean anyone and everyone who needs your help.
What kind of experience?
Yes. We'll need a formal organization with a catchy name before we go out and start helping people. Why don't we call it the Spina di Rosula?
Spina di Rosula.
Ooh, or even the Spina di Rosula di Simulanka. Yeah, that's catchy.
Wow, big expansion for the Spina. Moving into other worlds now.
Spina di Rosula.
Well then, how...
What? You're planning on fighting the dragon? But no, Your Majesty, you must reconsider!
He's right! Your Majesty, you can't!
How are you two on the same side all of a sudden?
Perhaps Your Majesty is unaware of this. The great dragon suddenly broke out from the Toytane. After that, it spat out a strange fog that surrounded a whole island.
Before Your Majesty arrived, we dispatched many soldiers to fight the dragon. But
Yikes. Sounds worse than we thought.
Isn't that all the more reason?
King Navia is right. We cannot...
very well. Though I have not served by your side for very long, Your Majesty.
You're a pretty...
He probably didn't mean that as a compliment.
Since you're serious about this, I won't try and stop you.
Oh, right! So there's a...
Yes, it was originally built to serve the... I'll tell the conductor to wait for you at the platform.
Oh, thank you for your concern.
Yes, Your Majesty!
So, the plan for tomorrow is... journey across the... Ooh, that's an adventure and a half.
At least we'll get to see some amazing scenery along the way, right?
Plus, we're pretty well equipped for a classic heroes versus dragon story. We got Miss Nilu as our magic caster, and I guess I'm the melee warrior who leads the charge?
Paimon can definitely see that. Anyway, those are tomorrow's problems. Right now, all Paimon wants is to eat a proper meal, because worst case scenario, if Paimon ends up getting eaten by a dragon...
Well, the origami animals in the forest only drink magic tonic.
Vegetable oil and sawdust, I think.